Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're settling a rivalry that really hits every marketer's bottom line.
Yeah.
We're talking about the battle between the massive SEO suite, Semrush, and the, well, more specialized tool, SpyFu.
And there's this huge gap in price, right? $140 a month versus just $39.
Exactly. So we're trying to figure out if that extra $100 is actually justified.
Right, and that $100 difference is really the key. Our mission was pretty simple. We looked into sources that compared these tools against actual Google Analytics accounts
Hundreds of websites.
from hundreds of websites. We needed to know if the expensive tool really gives you more accurate data or if you're just, paying for things you don't need.
And what we found, honestly, it challenges a really fundamental assumption in marketing.
That more expensive is always better.
That expensive automatically means better value. So let's unpack this.
Okay, so first, let's just talk money. Semrush's Pro plan is $140 a month.
Right.
SpyFu's basic plan is $39. That's 72% less.
And it's not just the cost, is it? It's the limits they put on you.
Well, that's maybe even more important.
Semrush's cheapest tier, it puts this hard cap on you. Only 5 different domains or projects.
You hit that wall so fast.
Oh, incredibly fast, especially if you have clients.
Yeah.
But then you look at SpyFu, which offers unlimited searches on every single plan.
And that really gets to the heart of what they are. Semrush is selling itself as this comprehensive, all-in-one suite. It has, over 50 features?
Yeah, site audits, social media, content planning, everything.
Everything. Whereas SpyFu is a specialist. It's laser-focused on just one thing: competitive intelligence, spying on your rivals.
Okay, but here's where it got really surprising for me. The data depth.
This is the big one.
Sources that compare both tools found this massive keyword discrepancy. SpyFu consistently tracked 10 times more PPC keywords.
10 times.
And double the SEO keywords for competitor analysis.
Right.
I mean, if you're hunting ad strategies, SpyFu's seeing whole campaigns that Semrush just completely misses.
The depth is one thing, but the accuracy finding. I mean, this is the real shocker.
Okay.
Independent studies compared Semrush estimates against real Google Analytics data from 787 different websites.
Yeah.
The average error rate for Semrush was a colossal 61.6%.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
61%, an error rate. That kind of undermines the whole idea of competitor analysis, doesn't it?
It's a huge problem. Screaming Frog even found that Semrush underestimates total traffic by 42% on average.
So you're making strategic decisions based on data that could be off by almost half. That's a fundamental issue.
It absolutely is. Now, to be fair, we have to talk about SpyFu's limitations. It's not a perfect tool.
Right.
It doesn't have those big suite features, no technical SEO audits, no on-page tools, and its data is very focused on the US and UK markets.
So if you need global data, Semrush still wins there. It covers like 140 countries.
It does. It wins that global footprint battle, no question.
Okay, what about the user experience, the support side of things?
Yeah, that's another interesting split. We saw a lot of reports on Reddit, actually, with people complaining that Semrush's customer support is just painfully slow.
Waiting days for a response.
Waiting days. Meanwhile, SpyFu answers quickly, and they have a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee.
So it really feels like it boils down to 2 pretty clear paths for anyone listening.
Very clear. You choose Semrush if you absolutely need that all-in-one suite of tools and, budget isn't your main concern.
Even with those, let's be honest, those really big accuracy problems we just talked about.
Exactly. Or you choose SpyFu if what you're really hunting for is powerful competitor insights, keyword data, PPC intelligence.
And you want to do it efficiently with unlimited searches for 72% less cost.
The core lesson here is pretty simple. The highest price does not guarantee the highest accuracy.
Especially for a metric as critical as competitor traffic.
And that leaves you with a really tough question, doesn't it? When critical data from a major tool is found to be off by over 60%, how much effort should you put into validating your own company's analytics before you even start to trust any competitor estimates? Something to mull over this week.